Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both files so you can move quickly. Open the Excel sheet, remove merged cells, and standardize headers. This prevents mapping errors later. Once done, save a CSV copy or select the exact cells you will copy. Make sure Illustrator is open and you have a text frame or table ready to receive data. You do this because Illustrator expects predictable, plain text structure. Inconsistent rows cause broken layout and wasted iterations. Next, you transfer the data into Illustrator and format it for design. If you placed a CSV, Illustrator inserts it as plain text, so immediately use area type to flow into columns and set fixed widths. If you pasted from Excel, paste without formatting, then use /replace to fix line breaks. Apply paragraph styles to control font, spacing, and alignment. This keeps changes global. Make vector conversions only when layouts are frozen, because outlines remove editability. Finally, refine the layout and set up for updates. Tweak tracking, leading, and column width so the table or labels read well at intended sizes. Typography decisions affect legibility. If you expect data changes, link the CSV or use data merge so updates flow automatically. If something goes wrong, make sure to inspect for hidden characters, non-breaking spaces, or extra tabs coming from Excel. These often break column alignment. Resave the CSV with UTF-8 if encoding issues appear, and reflow the text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.